Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Benchmark Beam Solutions. Today's tutorial is about how to create wall layers in Revit Architecture for a brick masonry. This is about 230 brick wall. Brick wall contains two membrane layers, that is paint layers, and plastering layers with 15 core boundaries. These are default layer. The core boundary, which is the layer between two boundary lines, defines the structure part, okay, of the lines and influences the behavior of walls. Okay, let's see how it will create in our Revit. Okay, this is a brick wall in interior side. Outer side we have provided the plaster layers 15 and two paint layers. It will provide in Revit membrane layers. Okay, let's see how it will came in our Revit. To create a 230 wall, first you need to set a unit format. Okay, unit shortcut is un. Okay, in unit we need to set a length. Okay, length option is there, set in length in millimeters. Okay, then click on OK. Then go to the architecture tab. It is wall is there, wall architecture. Okay, to create a wall, select a generic wall whatever you need and other wall and duplicate it and rename it. Okay, here we have writing wall 230 Okay, then edit it. Here three layers is there, core boundaries and structure. Okay, we need to insert for layers. Okay, here is a bottom option is insert. I have inserting 4 layers, 2 for plaster, 2 for paint. Okay, I just adjusting the layers. Okay, once I just adjust the layers, then I just set the namings. First is membrane layer, second one is finish one for plaster, though two core boundaries. In center it will came brick wall. Okay, next one is finish 2 plaster. Okay, membrane layer is there, last one. Okay, this one is completed. Next we need to set the dimensions, thickness, like that. I just setting on membrane layer 0 only. For finish one 15 brick wall 200, again 15 0. Okay, next we need to set the material for plaster and paint. Okay, I just setting on plaster. Okay, any layer you can create a new layer, and as build it is there. Okay, you can take and load it. Okay, I just taken any layer for plaster. Here last is a one layer is there. I just click it and use on render appearance because it will came on shaded form. Okay, both side I can provide the paint. Okay, next option is we can set the plaster material. Okay, plaster already is there. I just click it and check on the use render appearance and OK. Both sides we need to provide plaster material. Okay, then we need to check it, brick wall is there, brick material is there or not. It is already there. Okay, we have set all materials. Then check on preview option is there. Okay, how it will came, brick wall is there, 2 layers all are coming, plasters and paints. Okay, let's see how it will came in our project already created. Then we need to create the wall straight. Okay, it is in not clearly visible with layers. We need to set on realistic for material purpose. Okay, and also we need to set on detail. For details we need to set fine. Okay, this one is came, brick wall is there, two side plaster is all there. Okay, let's comes to 3D, how it will came. Here also we need to set realistic and fine, because materials is not visible without realistic and fine. Okay, thanks. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching my this video.